Keep coming out.
Yeah.
I'm sitting out.
Strong.
Thank you.
Oh, it's a team.
Yeah, it's a team. It's a team.
It's a team. That's not a rape. They are with the chili ladies. And you know them are babies. No.
Oh, I'm out.
Health is wealth.
Yeah.
Health is wealth.
Okay. You heard that?
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we there with a hot one. A hot one in the morning, yeah. And you don't know what for bless up. Thanks to God, so we have life, my people. That one is hot, my people. Hot, you don't know. Vybz Kartel outside of the country right now. The man there at Trinidad and Tobago, and a mad thing. You don't see how the fans them over there receive him and accept him. But my people, Vybz Kartel love the fans, but he wasn't there for that. He actually went to launch the new Straight Vybz rum in a Trinidad and Tobago. My people, I have a snippet of the interview, as well as Vybz Kartel touched the club last night in a Trinidad and him shell the place, my people. I have the video there for you as well. So I'm going to jump in a little snippet of the interview and we're going to come back, my people.
No, I cannot speak about the show because now I'm just here promoting the Angostura Vybz Kartel collaboration. No, this is
fair enough. I respect that. I just wanted you to kind of like give an insight. Was it that the schedule didn't permit you to have it later on in the year at all, and that's why you will have to do a collaboration to have it equal a kind of a Caribbean music festival?
You're a very determined interviewer, as I am a very determined interviewee. No comment.
Well, we still have to ask because Carnival is very near and dear.
I love Carnival.
to the Caribbean.
As a matter of fact, remember Jamaica Carnival is huge.
It is.
So we love Carnival, of course. Jamaica. I love Carnival, but yeah, I cannot speak to that right now because we're just promoting the Straight Vybz rum to the Trinidad people, to the Caribbean people, because this is a Caribbean effort, It's a joint collaboration between Jamaica and Trinidad. So big up the Trinis, big up the Yardies, big up the entire Caribbean.
What message would you have for your fans who are coming to the show next year?
No comment.
Still have to ask,
And I still have to say no comment.
Yes,
That should be the question. That should be the question.
Hi, one more question. So you created this cocktail, the peer pressure.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it the plan to have a series of cocktails?
Yes, we do. As a matter of fact, in Jamaica, we have a few. We have one called Beg You a Touch. And the Ramping Shop is a cocktail in and of itself because the Ramping Shop mixed with the Magnum in Jamaica is called Ramping Shop. So yeah, we have a series of mixes to promote, yes.
Great. And I see one of the rums is an enhanced rum.
Which is the Ramping Shop.
Okay, what is it enhanced with?
It's enhanced with when you and your husband drink it away.
Oh, people, tell me what you think about that. You understand? You don't know. Yeah, the reporter try and know more than where. And plus I never that the teacher did over the fact. You understand? And you don't know, people. Everything about the show here is, you understand? You don't see Vybz Kartel, him not perform. Him can't perform because him first performance have to be on that day. You understand? So I understand why he wants to remain tight-lipped about a lot of things, you understand? Still never have to deal with the reporter, someone Gaza boss. People, tell me what you think about that. You see what I say? And my people, you don't know, you know. We can't say this without saying that. Remember, December 31st is Freedom Street, my people. You don't know who I'm going to get in a ticket now. And anybody who now can't make it, stay locked to Jamaican Chat. Because you know, so we're going to cover it, don't it, my people? Fully. Alright. And my people, without further ado, this is going to take me to the meat of the matter. Vybz Kartel in the club last night in a Trinidad and Tobago, and the boss shelled the place. You can see how the people them receive him, them love him. So all who did I say, oh, Vybz Kartel can't go to Trinidad and Tobago, it up on your screen right now. My people, they're gonna go and like, share, subscribe on the video here. What the artist say? What they below my nose? I'm out.
This is yours, baby. I love you too. I love you. What the next one? Oh, this song is Unstoppable. What on? Even though I said ladies, I have to give this to a man. What are the talks then? You! Him! You have to sing for myself. Ready? What's my name? Let me tell you something slow. You see, every ghetto youth in Trinidad, we know someone can make it in a life, and they're going to reach one day. Turn it up. Thank you. Give me the next song. No, this one is definitely for the ladies. On when I die, your soul will feel like so now. Oh, okay. Baby. Big man, can I give this to you off? Okay. Hold on, yeah. This one, I'm not even going to ask you a question. This is just yours. The ramping shot. When you're the ramping stop, never. This is it. It's getting ready for you. Everyone, Trinidad. What does mean? Let it go. Sit down. Let's go. That's it. What on? Yeah. All right. That's the last one. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know what I want to do? And this is my favorite. So you see when we're drinking this with the
Chill.
I call it peer pressure. So definitely this to a lady. You get cosmetic fever. I think it's 2 fevers away. This 2 fever lead to pneumonia. Alright, hold on. 1 for you, hold on. I'm going to ask you a question. What is 1 and 1? No, 1 and 1 is 11. Okay. I'm going to ask you a question. Oh, peer pressure. Which one? Next is the peer, and you get the peer pressure. Okay? Yes. I'm going to ask you a question. What starts car? You know where to start. And all this. We have to drink together in the bar. And then we have a bar. If your man is here, a war! Go. Oh,